Alright, so we've got a scale factor of 1/2. We want half the distance. The first thing I'm going to do is connect a line. And I want half of this line. It's not too bad. Get an arc from this side, get an arc from that side, and then wherever those two arcs cross, that's going to give you the perpendicular bisector. Really all we want is that bisector, and it'll be H prime. Again, we want the half the distance from P to T. Get an arc here, get an arc here. Oh my goodness. That's terrible. Gonna have to redo that one. So, need a little bit more on my arc. There we go. A little bit of that. A little bit of that. And now, the bisector is going to be somewhere in there. Boom. There's my new T. And then for my other ones, same process. It's going to be somewhere in there. Some big arc. Boom. Big arc for M. Get it probably right about there. So my new M right here. And then finally, get my P and A somewhere probably right in there. Let's make that a little bit. There you go. No, same arc there. And let's make it smaller. Smaller for both. It was too small. Try it again. Arc. And then arc. So we've got across here. And it's going to be right. Here we go, yeah, right there. Boom. There's my A. So again, just cut that bad boy in half. This one's the harder one because you have to do some, cutting. And it's about half the size. Should be exactly half the size. Now, the one that's got a scale factor of -2, this one is significantly easier because all you have to do is walk it off. Since it's -2, we're going to be headed in the opposite direction. Remember, it's not -2 from the start point, it's -2 from the center. You want to be twice as far away from the center as you are right now. So when I measure, I'm going to measure right here. This is the distance away. Here's 1 times the distance away. Here's 2 times the distance away. And it's twice as far away in the opposite direction. So let's call this 1. This would be 2, but it's in the opposite direction from my center. I've got O to P. Here's 1 distance away, 2 distance away. It's going to be O prime right here. E is the same way. I've got B to P, or E to P rather. 1 distance away, 2 distance away. That's going to be my new E value. Boom. 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 Looking good. Looking good. And there's my new shape. Alright. So I've got these 90-degree counterclockwise rotation is going to be -BA. And it's handy to know. So I've got -1, -2. I've got +4, -2. And I've got -3, 0. That's it. That's straight from the notes. And knowing what that pattern is, super easy. Super easy. You should really memorize those bad boys. 180-degree counterclockwise rotation. That's going to be -A, -B. So -2, -8. We'll have +1, 3. we'll have 1, negative 2, and that's it. Again, knowing those patterns makes your life much better. Got the video here.